I'm going in the sink. That day, me and Ayush were in our the favorite spot. We both were found
I
together.
saw the video. I saw the video.
Yeah.
Like last time's video.
Now I hate that spot.
Yeah.
Only
Because
some 10
it
seconds
keeps
we got
coming.
found there.
I'm walking like this.
I was just about to fall. Ooh, even I fell. I'm gonna hide behind here itself. I wanted to fall somewhere else.
Oh no. He's coming.
Oh, I think you will get found if you're going. Oh, it just left the sink. Wait, no, he's coming. Oh, Yashmit, he can see you. He can see some other guy also.
Oh. I'm coming to the sink. He's gonna jump down. Dude, he's gonna jump down.
Yeah, he jumped. Oh, he's just behind you right now. Okay. Oh, I'm so lucky. He left me. He didn't even see I was there. Oh, Yashmit.
I don't think it will notice if I go inside.
Where did you go, Yashmit? Oh, one guy just fell before him. Okay, good. Now I can go to the teleporter.
Look at this. Yeah.
Oh, I can see you there, Yashmit. Wait a second.
Yeah. Look at that.
No, where are you going?
I just wish he doesn't jumps because he can still catch me.
Yeah.
He has the bouncing thing just. Oh shit, he's coming. Shit.
Yeah.
I saw you.
Shit.
You're inside that
He didn't see me. Oh, I can see. Now I'll come.
This guy he's found so many people.
Yeah, he found 3 people.
Guys, like the video and subscribe so that I can.
Hey, we are making a new video of Hidden Friends.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Dude, there's 2 people jumping. Just around it. Dude, that girl went in front of him.
Actually, to jump on the oven is difficult for some people.
Okay, fine, it's going to catch
In
it.
laptop, it's most difficult.
You're also like me.
This it is
I'll
good.
Push you. You will push. I will push you.
But he won't be able to catch it. He's not master at well. The professional, you know.
Where are you, Ayush?
I have the traffic stuff.
Oh, just come out and go to the teleporter. Okay.
But
And then in front of the teleporter, one cupboard is there, no, right in front. We are both are hiding there. Just come front towards the opening. Don't push me, Yashmi.
Alright. I was just.
Okay, you be there. I'll come to the teleporter.
You can see your name, Aya.
Yeah. Where are you?
Best. I like your display name. Best.
Wait. Yeah, you can see, no? Yashmi, it's right down here.
What?
Oh, he fell on. Ayush. Oh my god. You were just falling.
Oh my god, you almost fell. Dude, we all have display names. My name is Blue and Ayan's is Best and Ayush's is Naruto.
Yeah. We win.
Wow, we won. Oh, wait, this guy is naked.
Oh, I got 405 credits now.
I have 775 credits. Look at my credits. Guys, look at my webcam.
Oh my goodness, 775.
Yeah, I'm the it.
Oh. No.
Oh, except
This guy.
Okay.
How
that-
can
that
someone
username
remember
is-
that name? It's too difficult to remember. Wait, it's the store? Okay, he won't find me ever. I can glitch in the store. Like not outside the map, but at least in my spot.
I glitch.
You're in 6R's body style itself, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then follow me.
I am. Dude, what is this thing doing? Look at it.
Dude, wait for me! Wait for me!
Right behind you. In my body.
Now, wait, come down here. Now, come in first person mode and go sideways, the same way you do in the attic.
Oh, wait, I'm in shift lock mode. It's like first person.
Wait, I'm getting pushed out. Okay, I came. Yes, wait, don't push me more, don't come more. Yeah, this I know, it pushes you out. And if I
Yeah.
taunt, I will fall.
Dude, wait, let me try if it glitch.
No, you can't glitch with taunt here.
Yeah.
You're not in 6R body style, I guess.
Dude, I'm looking at you. Look at me. Dude, look at me. Ayan.
Even I'll look at you now.
Yeah. Look at our shit. Oh,
Oh, I think he's coming in the room. Oh, he's just below us. Never do taunt now. Oh, I was getting pushed out. Oh, he's so close to us. Oh, he just jumped past us. We're so lucky he just jumped above us. And he fell.
yo, oh,
Oh, he found
that
someone.
person was coming with us. He got that person.
Yeah. Oh, now we both are just below him.
Yeah. He strikes so hard to get on that box.
I don't think he'll be glitched because when you're the 8, you can't glitch. He left us. Good.
Yeah, good. Now we can just
Oh, he's
come up
walking backwards.
with- What?
He was walking backwards.
Yeah, he's in first person mode.
Yeah.
Dude, he's wearing a black diaper. Very small.
Yeah, I know. Me and Ayush discovered it like 2-3 days ago itself. Even Ethan wears diaper.
Dude, black diaper. Dude, where are you guys? I can only see Ayan. Where is Ayush?
Even I don't know where is Ayush.
I'm kissing Ayan.
Wait. Oh no. Why did I taunt? I could fall.
See, you can taunt. It's not a
I'm
problem.
gonna push you. I pushed you out or what?
Oh, you want to push me? Then I will push you.
Actually, I have the advantage. The box also pushes us. When you go to the avatar customization, no, in there one option will be there in body style. Click on that and on your character it will be like 6R and 15R.
Okay, where should I go?
Okay. Wait.
Wait,
I'll just share my
that
screen.
That works on computer.
I'll share your
That works on
screen.
No,
laptop.
it works everywhere. I'll share my screen, okay? You just see what I'll do.
Oh wait, I think that's a new update now because last time it never used to work on phones or tablets or anything.
You can see,
Only
right?
used to-
Can you see?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Dude, you're on a computer now.
But I'm
This
not
works
playing
on
there.
computer.
Okay, so first you have to go to that area
Okay.
where you customize your avatar, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here I'm in R6. You can click. You'll be in R15. You have to click here on R6. Okay. Then all your animations will also not work.
It will be like Lego style, like Lego.
Yeah,
How Lego movements.
Bro, when I come now,
Lego movements.
see, I came over here. Now?
Okay, I'm going down.
Yeah, see. See, I came over here. Now what should I do?
Oh, dude, I just fell.
Wait, you're in website or where you are?
No, I'm in my avatar.
Okay. Click on anything in the click on the why don't we sign. Just click.
Or anything.
I
And now that it will show show again, one option will be there. Wait, it's loading.
785 credits.
Yeah, now in that option is there, no? Like you have it. From where you put it on your avatar, go to that option.
To our custom option.
And show
I'm the it.
Now we are
Obviously.
that like just under the shirt there's one green color button, no? Click there.
Oh, I'm the it. I'm the it.
Yeah, customize. Click on customize.
I'm the it.
Yeah, now.
And now on the picture where go to body, in that body option will be there.
Yeah, body.
I can see on phones and all it won't work.
That's the body style now.
Yeah, come to body style
Yeah, I came to body style.
and then you will see one option like at the bottom. Scroll to the bottom. You will see one option as 6R, 15R.
It's R15.
Yeah, click on 6R.
Okay, 6R. Yeah, done.
Yeah, now join the game.
Yeah, I'm joining. Okay, thanks. I can glitch out. Now I can go like you guys, right?
Yeah, but I don't know if you were not in R, like 6R, how were you glitching in the attic? I think they added a new feature because everybody is able to glitch in the attic. People with animations also.
In the attic. It's very easy.
No, but it should be 6R mostly. Oh, I fell down. Good. You were just coming, now I'm running down. Yeah, you're going far from me, Yashmit. Oh, you glitched. You should just glitched. Oh, no. Okay, I better run to the sofa now.
Dude, I don't know how to use runner on laptop.
Press the one key or some key. Try.
Something?
Oh, one key works. Thanks for that.
Welcome. Because most times in laptops there will be some number key or like E or something like that.
I'm just something to eat. I'm so hungry.
Oh, I see some person.
Oh, and I see you. I ran off again. I'll tell you where I was. And I don't think you're gonna even search that place.
You
No,
see
I
my
can
logo?
see one guy.
You guys see my logo?
Wait, what?
Is that me? Is that out? No, it's not me. I was literally playing Naruto Ultimate Ninja 2.
Oh,
Hello. I'm hungry.
Wait.
Where are you?
oh, Yashmit, you are coming a bit near to me.
Bro, but you won't catch me though. I think I'm a big near to go.
I'll tell him the actual place where I am hiding at 10 seconds. Oh, again you came.
It's so bad, bro. What do you care?
He's just some 10 steps away and he left me.
Really?
I'm wasting his time right now.
Oh, bro, let me have it there.
Don't tell him where I am.
Don't stop away from me.
He just searched at the same place. You know, he searched the same place and he didn't even find me.
Bro, you have just that villa and look at it.
Yeah. You're also lagging, Yashmit, a bit.
Yeah, you are good. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Lagging. That's what I tell you. You are lagging.
No, I'm not lagging. Wait, why did you use your sprint right now, Yashmit?
I know, bro.
Inside the box. One girl just went above this box thing. You left her. Now go on this jumping thing.
Dude, my laptop's brightness isn't that good. Even if I put it to max, it's so dim. That's why I couldn't find
Oh, you just hit your head somewhere up there.
Yeah, all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, just tell me the exact place.
I'll tell you at 15 seconds right now. Because you're far from me right now. Okay, Yashwant, I'm gonna tell you in. Okay, I'll tell you in 15 seconds only. Yashwant, wait, let me see. I'm hiding in the tree and now I'm running from there. From that much time I was hiding in the tree.
Dude, all I first found was just 2 people. Oh wait, 5?
Yeah, I think
thought I just got 2.
no, I think 3 players left the game.
Oh, that means it counts 2.
I hate backyard. I'll just show you my t-shirts here. Just see. All these
Yeah.
t-shirts.
Oh, you even have Sonic. Wait, all of them are just ducks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
penguin.
Stupid ducks things. That ducks kinds of
Oh,
things.
this looks good.
I don't know. It's called ducks.
Yeah,
Dude,
even
it's
I.
the same map again.
Yeah, I know. Who's the 8 this time? Oh, Nana was good.
Ooh. Yeah. Tell me where you were hiding.
I was hiding inside the tree that time, all the time, and you didn't search.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Dude, wait, are you on 2 devices?
Why?
Because you're controlling in the game and then that too you're changing your avatar.
Yeah, from my left hand I'm controlling the game, from right hand I'm just doing this. Really? Oh yeah, we all 3 are together here. Oh wait, this looks good or what?
I'm using the front person.
What are you doing?
In my left hand I am controlling it.
Yeah. Gold ducks.
Oh, I teleported, I didn't even get to know. Wait, I got stuck in the tree. Yeah. I was just hiding here that time.
Dude, let's jump. Get me to the topest point in the map. Oh, even this guy came.
Oh wow, these are good. Just see how many options there are for these ducks.
Ooh.
It's them going. What are you doing? Literally.
Dude, I'll jump on top of you. You should keep jumping. Dude, why do I keep hitting
Where
them?
are you? Santa, what are you doing?
I'm hiding inside the tree.
Oh, this guy's a little close to us at the tree. It is little bit close to us. Ayan, what happened to your Robo Box update?
Yeah, that thing I don't remember the password and it got logged out.
Oh.
From 2 years that account is there.
What kind of ducks is that?
I'm gonna make collection of ducks. Wait.
Collection of
Ducks.
ducks. That.
Just see my screen. All these penguins.
Yeah, those are the penguins. Dude, also buy the Sonic ducks.
Okay, I'll check. Shit. No, wait. I'm gonna stay here and dodge him.
Oh, this guy is over here.
No, he is coming again.
I just see that start backing up the map.
No. No, no. Oh, come on. Where is he going? Sonic Shades?
That's
It is-
500. Which one is Sonic Tux?
Sonic Tactics. Dude, you can just search it, no?
I searched
Go
it.
all the way top. Go all the way top. Sonic Tux.
Oh, there's a Mac Ronald Tux also.
Oh, my phone. Buy so many.
I'm not buying, they're for free. The buying things I got.
But he can just see me and he can see the other guy's name. And that one is ignoring.
Only 20 seconds I'm left. I'm in the tree. I'm on the third tree.
On top of
Oh,
the
this looks
tree.
good.
I'm going on the top of the tree. I am left.
I'm just going to the end.
Yeah, I'm coming at you. And I don't have time.
I did a 360 jump right in front of the end. Ayan,